ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಜಯಂ. ಶುಕ್ಲಾಂಬರಧರಂ ವಿಷ್ಣುಂ ಶಶಿವರ್ಣಂ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜಂ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನವದನಂ ಧ್ಯಾಯೇತ್ ಸರ್ವವಿಘ್ನೋಪಶಾಂತಯೇ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ and welcome back to Amara Bharata channel, where we are studying CBSE Class 8 Samskrita textbook. In that, Chaturthah Pathah Pranamyah Deshabhaktah Ayam Gopabandhuhu Mahamanaha. In this video, we look at the exercises along with an explanation in the English language. Question number 1. Adholikitanam prashnanam ekapadena uttaram likhata. Answer the following questions in one word only in Sanskrit. Samaja Dinapatrikayaha Pratisthata Kaha. Who was the founder of this Samaja newspaper? Answer is Sri Gopabandhu or Gopabandhu Dasaha. Gopabandhu Kasmai Swabhojanam Dattavan. To whom did Gopabandhu give his food? Bhikshukaya. Maranasannaha Kaha Asit. Who was on the verge of death? Gopabandhoha Putra. Gopabandhu Kena Upadhina Sammanitah Abhavad. By what title was Gopabandhu honored is Utkala Manihi. Utkala means Odisha. Gopabandhu Kati Varshani Karavasam Praptavan. How many years did Gopabandhu Das serve in jail? Varshadvayam. 2 years he served in jail during the freedom struggle. Next one. Eka Vakyena Uttaram Likhata. Answer the following questions using full sentence in Samskrita. Gopabandhu Kimartham Ashrupurnanayanaha Abhavat. Why did Gopabandhu's eyes get filled with tears? Bubhukshitasya Bhikshukasya Karunadhvanim Shrutva Daya Vigalita Hridayaha Gopabandhu Ashrupurnanayanaha Abhavat. On seeing the hungry beggar and also listening to the wailing voice, his compassionate heart, because of compassion, his eyes got filled with tears. Kidrisham putram vihaya Gopabandhu samaja sevam akarot. What kind of son did he leave and go and do social service? Maranasannam saputram vihaya Gopabandhu samaja sevam akarot. Even he forsake even his own dying son and did the social service. Next question. Gopabandhoha krite Utkala Manihi iti upadhihi kimartham pradattaha. Answer is Gopabandhoha krite Utkala Manihi iti upadhihi Samaja sevayai Desha sevayai cha tasya asima tyagasya sammanartham pradattaha. So Gopabandhu Das ji was awarded the Utkalamani title because of his unparalleled spirit of sacrifice with respect to social service and also service towards our country. Next question. Gopabandhu Kutra Janma Labdhavan. Gopabandhu Odisha Rajye Puri Janapade साक्षी गोपाल समीपे सुआंडो ग्रामे जन्म लब्धवान. लास्ट वन. गोपबंधु सर्वदा केशाम उपयोगम कृतवान. व्हाट वाज गोपबंधु यूजिंग ऑल द टाइम? गोपबंधु सर्वदा स्वदेशस्य एव वस्त्राणां वस्तूनां च उपयोगम कृतवान. He used to use only Swadeshi clothes. He used to wear only Swadeshi clothes and also used to use Swadeshi goods only. Next, Kosthake Dattani Padani Upayujya Vakyani Rachayita. Write sentences using words given at the top. They have given 5 words here. Sevam. Sri Gopabandhu Bharatadeshasya Jananam Krite Sevam Kritavan. Sri Gopabandhu Das did seva, service towards the people of Bharatadesha, our country. Suswaduni means Sri Gopabandhu Suswaduni Vyanjanani Khaditum Upavishta Asit. He was seated in order to eat delicious food items. Sahayatam means Sri Gopabandhu आर्तजनानां सहायतां कर्तुं सदा उत्सुकः आसीत्. He was always eager to offer service to those people who were in deep in kind of despair. Artha means in some kind of difficult situation. Swadesha vastrani. Shri Gopabandhu sarvada Swadesha vastrani eva dharayati sma. He used to always wear only Swadeshi clothes. Anyatamaha. Shri Gopabandhu prasiddheshu panchamitreshu anyatamaha. Swatantrata sangrami asit. He was one of the 5 famous people who were freedom fighters. Friends. 5 famous friends. Next question. Chitram drishtva panchavakyani rachayeta. Write 5 sentences looking at the picture. We have Sri Gopabandhu Das and one sick person, and there is also a clinic here. We'll see. Chitre Sri Gopabandhu asti. In this picture we see Sri Gopabandhu Das. Chitre anyaha rogagrastaha api asti. There is also a sick person in this picture. Chitre chikitsalayah asti. There is a clinic in this picture. Sri Gopabandhu rogagrastam chikitsalayam aneti. Sri Gopabandhu is bringing the sick person to the clinic. Sri Gopabandhu shveta vastram dharayati. Sri Gopabandhu is wearing white colored clothes. You can form your own sentences. I have given you some sample 5. Next, question number 5. Samuchitena padena shlokam purayata. Complete the shloka appropriately. ಸ್ವದೇಶ ಭೂಮೌ ಮಮಲೀಯತಾಂ ತನುಃ ಉತ್ಕಲಮಣಿರಿತ್ಯಾಖ್ಯ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧೋ ಲೋಕಸೇವಕಃ ಸ್ವದೇಶ ಲೋಕಾಸ್ತದನು ಪ್ರಯಾಂತುನು ಸ್ವರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಾರ್ಗೇ ಯದಿ ಗರ್ತಮಾಲಿಕಾ ಮಮಾಸ್ಥಿ ಮಾಂಸೈಃ ಪರಿಪೂರಿತಾಸ್ತು ಸಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಉದಾಹರಣ ಅನುಸಾರಂ क्रियापदम स्त्रीलिंगे परिवर्तयता. Convert the following verbs to feminine as in the example. Gatavan becomes gatavati. Praptavan becomes praptavati. Upavishtavan becomes upavishtavati. Bhuktavan becomes bhuktavati. Kritavan becomes kritavati. Grihitavan becomes grihitavati. Next question. समुचितेन पदेन सह स्तंभौ मेलयता. Match the following columns here. समाजः दिनपत्रिका. मम अस्थि मांसैः परिपूरितास्तो. उत्कलमणिः गोपबन्धुः. आम् आम् इति क्रन्दनध्वनिः. सुस्वादूनि व्यञ्जनानि. Last question. घटनाक्रमेण वाक्यानि पुनः लिखता. Arrange the sentences in chronological order. They have given 5 sentences here. We have to arrange in the order in which they occurred in this lesson. So what we do is, each sentence we convert it into English language or to our mother tongue, Kannada, Tamil, whatever it is, and then we arrange it there because it is easier there to arrange it in our own native language. So bhikshukancha tadbhojitavan. So the first sentence is, and fed it to the beggar. Second sentence is, Prafulla Chandra Rayah Gopabandhum Utkalamanihi iti upadhina sammanitavan. Prafulla Chandra Ray honored Sri Gopabandhu with the title of Utkala Mani. Third sentence is, Gopabandhu Ashrupurna Nayanaha Abhavat. Gopabandhu's eyes filled with tears. Fourth one is, ಅತಿಥಯೋ ಹಸ್ತಪಾದಂ ಕ್ಷಾಲಯಿತ್ವಾ ಆಸನೇಷು ಉಪವಿಷ್ಟವಂತಹ. ಸೊ the guests, having washed their hands and feet, sat on their seats. The last sentence is, dinatrayat kimapi na bhuktam. Not eaten for 3 days. Now it is easy to arrange them in chronological order, the order in which of occurrence in this particular lesson. First is Gha. The guests, having washed their hands and feet, sat on their seats. Gha, the fourth one. Next comes Na, not eaten for 3 days. Next is Ga, Gopabandhu's eyes filled with tears. Next is ta, which is and fed it to the beggar. And the last is kha, which is Prafulla Chandra Rai honored him with the title of Gopa Utkalamani. So dha, nga, ga, ka, kha. This is the chronological order. If you like this video and would like to support this channel, please use the super thanks button on YouTube or also the UPI ID given in description. Thank you very much for your support. This brings me to the end of this video and also to the end of this lesson itself. Pranamyo Desha Bhaktoyam Gopabandhur Mahamanaha. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share. See you in the next video with the next lesson, which is about Bhagavad Gita. YouTube Amara Bharata Shubham Bhuyat Mangalamastu Vande Mataram Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.